Hello and welcome back guys to Tech Journal 24. Today we are going ahead and doing a review for Oculus Rift S. Yes, the best VR headset. This is one of the best and we will go down to the virtual world with Oculus Rift S. Without wasting any time, we'll go ahead and see all the matters that includes the best part of it. So let's start. Alright, if you're seeking among the best VR headset and you want to land to the virtual world, take into the consideration of the Oculus Rift S. Yes, virtual reality has come a big way since Oculus creators have launched the virtual reality power for young boys. Yes, the founder Luckey first presents the world to the Oculus break back in 2012. So it's not a new matter, it's a very old technology. Now, possessed by Facebook, the Oculus Rift S must represent the next forward for the business premium PC based virtual reality experience, but in the practice, this even more of a baby step in terms of upgrades as well as going ahead and adding the functions in the initial Oculus Rift. What we are claiming in the Oculus Rift S is not a real Oculus successor, yet the absolute legit challenger when it's pertains to the some effective virtual reality headsets available in 2021. If you adhere together with the innovation and kind of things are coming in the market, the name Oculus S needs to ring in a few bells. That's due to the fact that both Apple and also Microsoft added an S to their item is in order to signify an iterative enhancement which is coming as well as an iPhone XS as an example, as well as the indicates that the product is backward suitable as well as will in time replace the original. All of these things hold true for the Oculus Rift S. And so we have virtual reality headset that in several areas, specifically the referring of the availability is superior in the procedure of the original Oculus Rift. Nonetheless, the virtual reality headset isn't the general jump ahead several and anticipated. As the matter of fact, the Rift S makes some trade off the real feeling like an action backward. It's give you experience of being at the present of the world of virtual reality. You can feel yourself, you are in the place and you are the one who are feeling the entire thing. All the gamers in the market must come inside and feel this with this virtual headset. Oculus Rift S has made the reality to a virtuality in a best next-gen method. The Oculus Rift S is offering in a very reasonable rate according to whatever things they have given with it, because it has given you to experience the virtual world. It worth the cost that they are taking. It's additional less expensive than the HTC Vive, the Vive Pro, as well as honest value index close competitor, which all need outside tracking sensors to function. But the Oculus Rift S has the best sensor that gives you a virtual reality experience to day in and out. The Oculus Rift S, like the Oculus Rift VR headset, which came prior to this, is initially more advanced, works in attended with a computer to supply virtual reality experience. It attaches to your computer or your USB 3 port and the display port connection, as well as the connection to the machine by a prolonged cable that's more than enough to accommodate the room scale experience the Rift S can deliver to you. It's even more limiting in regards to complementary motions than the functions cordless Oculus Quest and the extra current Oculus Quest 2. Like the various VR headset, the Rift S puts two Google-like lens in front of your eyes, which gives you a stereoscopic 3D sight of the world you are positioned inside. It's give you the feeling that you are middle of that particular function, you're middle of that particular land, and you can feel around yourself all the objects that you can see, as well as the electronic Google Move within it. The floor attracts the closer real time. It remains the best and almost signify like experience, particularly if your interactive globe around you configuring confirms to be an integrated one. There's a great reason for this, however. The Rift S elements outside movement monitor sensors, which previously require or consuming USB port on your PC and also route a wire around you, and a lot of mess was there. But over here, it has been a wireless one, so there is no messing with the wire. Forward face, two-side deal with an also upwards aiming electronic camera on its sheath. A set of touch control shape which are Oculus Rift S, and also these are somewhat various of their particularly very handy. You are having a finger trigger, you are having a finger sensor, the forefinger, and also the button that handles the stimulating grip, feast making motion. You are having an AA battery each with a single battery, and it is rechargeable. The only difference is that the tracking ring size on the top rather than all-time low with the initial Rift. Now, not all the adjustments are always right. To start with, the Rift S has actually ditched the brakes over here. Earphone in favor to this directional audio speaker in the headband. Now, you need to understand the VR is giving you the experience of the sound around you. You can feel the sensor, you can feel somebody on your left, your right, you're doing your targeting. Now, I'll tell you, if you are a gamer, you will love it. This will be the best gadget for you to go ahead and do the virtual reality game more over the blows and seeing, really feeling free. You can plug in your very own ears to the 3.5mm port on the side of your headset. However, it's also minimized the refresh rate from 90 Hz to 80 Hz. This is intended so as to maintain the rate down, in additional to maintain the minimum specification for the gadget, the like that of Oculus Rift. Now, this is one of the best upgraded computer gear. I'll tell you guys, if you are a gamer, you will go ahead and like this a lot. If you're not a gamer, quit this off. I'll tell you, I will buy this, I will spend my buck on this particular gadget. So for now, if you have any questions, go down below and comment. Don't forget to like this video so that we can come across with new videos like this and help you out to know the product. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.